window of my wood heater is making a howling noise coming from between here. I removed the window when I painted the door on the inside, and it didn't seal properly, so I bought some new fiberglass seal strip to glue into here, because as soon as I hold this here, the howling stops. I don't know if the howling can be heard on camera. So to remove the door is just to unlock it. I haven't cleaned it yet because I burned some wood yesterday. I'll close this top door, the oven door, and it's just a matter of lifting it out, and that's all. Right, so I've now got the door in the garage. So I just have to loosen these two screws and I should be able to slide the glass out, because these ones are rusted in place, and there's this main door seal which is fine, and then there's a window seal underneath here. It's a fiberglass rope. So I bought this on my shopping trip. So this is just flat rope. It's a little narrow, so I just do a double, and I don't need to struggle with glue because this is already got tape strip on it, and this is resisted up to 500 degrees Celsius, so it should be okay because the same material is around the edges and that hasn't melted. Let's hope these screws come out. Okay. Just give it a quick clean. So I got my oven cleaner. Just normal oven cleaner. Just let that soak for a bit. You should be able to wipe that clean without a problem. Alright, I'll let it soak a bit. So now I need to degrease this part underneath where I'm going to be sticking the sealing strip. I got some paper towel and some carburetor cleaner. The grease is great. Cleans also very well, very nicely. And just here it's a little letting go. And this also hasn't actually worked very well. It's also disintegrating, so I might stick the whole circumference with the new stuff. See if it'll work out. it's a total of 3 meters, so that should be plenty enough. And let's just see if this will work. Okay, seems to hold pretty well. So you can also get these with glue that you have to apply, but usually the glue amount is a lot less than what you have to cover. I still got enough spare for another time should this need to be repeated in the future. The only tricky part is getting the backing off of the tape. Now it's just a matter of screwing back everything into place. Thinking it might need a double layer. Maybe see if we can bend these tabs a little bit. That seems to have done it. Just bend the tabs a little bit more inwards. There's now no play, no movement. So it should be good to go. Let's go inside and put it back into place. Alright, I've installed it. And I can't hear any more howling. I'll have to see when the wind picks up. It's only blowing a little bit at the moment, but there's no more howling now. Can put the microphone here. Can't hear anything anymore. So that's a good sign. Hopefully once the wind picks up, it will stay like this. Here's just an update on the wood heater. So it's no longer making a howling noise. Here it is all on. Fan is working away. That is also looking nice. So it's no longer lifting the pipe up. What's happening is this union up here is going, it's sliding in and out, so that helps with the pipe expansion and contraction. Therefore it doesn't lift inside the wall anymore. So that should help prevent any future issues.